Yeah, that's about it. Yes, you have these tentacles. That's what cycling does. And let's give a turbulence a bit more frequency. Or less. Let's do less first. Oh, it's better. And you can do like smoky kind of effect when you give more frames to cycle intervals. Yeah, you can use it for something. I don't know what for. Okay, fields. Uniform, it just pushes it one. I don't want that turbulence. No more. Fields, uniform field. It just pushes in one direction. So let's apply that. See what happens. Let's make it. Give it a shape. Cube. And I should disable cycle. Sorry. No more cycling. None. And now we can push direction. Okay, X, Y, Z. Let's give it more magnitude. No. Let's see. Okay, let's do attenuation. I think, yeah. Like a particle, right? Particle shape. Conserve, I think. Put 0, and then let's increase the particle mass. Let's see what it does. Dynamic weight. Particle shape. There's a mass. Okay. It doesn't work. Huh? All right, let me just quit again. Okay, let's keep on this one. Field, volume axis. Make it, that's alright, cube is okay. This is like twists them, like tornado kind of effect. Away from center, along axis. Oh, sorry, I forgot to connect them again. Dynamics. Yeah. It's too much. Away from center, let's lower it down. Along axis a bit lower. And I want to rotate it so the particles, volume control. I want to twist them a little. Direction speed. Let's make it 0. And then volume. Away from, and add some turbulence. Where's the magnitude? You see, it kind of gets inside and then twists around. And that's volume axis. Field, what else? Okay. Let's go over a little bit, just a little bit about over expressions. So change this particle emitter to volume, some cube, so we can see them, and make it directional. You can see meter, direction is y, okay, speed random. No, just a volumetric emitter, and then we'll push them up a bit from center along axis. I think that one. Yeah. So I just want to show you like a couple of expressions and where to use them. So expressions. There's two types. Oh, let's create. So we go there. You see like per particle attributes here. There's per particle and per object. So per object, it will treat whole thing as an object, but per particle, every particle will be affected. So, for example, let's add scale. particle size. Do you have particle size here? No. Okay. So we go particle, we click general particle, and then we have S scale. There's tons of them here. Let's do radius pp, right? Choose radius pp, add. Okay. So here we can do ramp, for example, create ramp. And then we can edit that ramp. See what happens? Let's give him some more life. Particle shape. Where's the okay, particle lifespan? Yeah, it's too short. Let's give it what? 10 seconds. Fine. So as they die, they became the radius becomes smaller. And that's controlled in this case by ramp right here. Radius pp, and so we added ramp. We can delete that, and let's do it again. Break connection. Okay. We don't have anything, so right now we go back, and we create ramp. Ramp is that gradient. So it added ramp, and then when you want to edit, if you want to make bigger at the end of life, like kind of bubbles, so we switch. And if you want it to be, this is not expression, this is ramp. This is controlled by ramp. So they grow, and then they die, before they die, it becomes smaller. I can do it, let's emit less particles so we can see it clearly. See what's going on here? Same thing with the color. We can just add color. Add per particle, you click here, you have 3 buttons here, add dynamic attributes. So you click color and you say add per particle. Add. And we have RGB PP right here. Color is vector. It has 3 attributes. Red, green, and blue. So here we can create ramp as well. And we can edit. Yeah, that's good. So you see they born red, turn green, and die blue. What you can also do is, for example, okay, let's delete that, break connection. Right click, sorry. Right click on that field. Right click, and then you save ramp.